Welcome to today's episode of Estate Planning Explained. I'm Adriano Torre, a licensed real estate agent in Washington State and founder and CEO of Rexmont Real Estate. And in this episode, we'll be discussing the various types of vesting options in estate planning. One such option is the Irrevocable Living Trust. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So what is vesting in estate planning? Before we delve into the specifics of Irrevocable Living Trust, let's briefly discuss what vesting means in the context of estate planning. Vesting refers to the way in which assets and property rights are distributed upon someone's unfortunate death. It's a crucial aspect of estate planning because it determines who ultimately receives your assets and how they receive them. It's like a will, but for real estate. Now let's focus on the Irrevocable Living Trust as a unique vesting option in estate planning. An irrevocable living trust is a legal arrangement that allows you to transfer your assets into a trust during your lifetime. The irrevocable aspect means that once you've placed assets into the trust, you generally can't change or revoke the trust without the consent of the beneficiaries. Here are some key points to consider regarding an irrevocable living trust. Asset protection. Assets placed in an irrevocable living trust are typically shielded from creditors and lawsuits, providing a layer of protection for your beneficiaries. Estate tax benefits. This type of trust can help you reduce estate taxes as the assets are no longer considered part of your taxable estate. Probate avoidance. Assets in an irrevocable living trust typically avoid probate, ensuring a smoother and more private distribution process. Medicaid planning. For those concerned about future Medicaid eligibility, this type of trust can help protect assets while still allowing for potential qualification. It's important to know that establishing an irrevocable living trust requires careful consideration and legal assistance due to its permanence. So my advice is to consult with an experienced estate planning attorney to determine if this option aligns with your goals. Other types of vesting. While the Irrevocable Living Trust is a valuable vesting option, it's not the only one available. Other common vesting options include joint tenancy with the right of survivorship. Assets held in this manner automatically pass to the surviving joint tenant upon death. Tenancy by the entirety, or a TBE. This is a vesting option for married couples, where each spouse owns an undivided interest in the entire property. Community property. This applies in some U.S. states where assets acquired during marriage are considered jointly owned. Last will and testament. This is a traditional way to vest assets. A will outlines your wishes for assets distribution upon your death. Revocable living trust. Unlike the irrevocable living trust, this trust can be changed or revoked at any time during your lifetime. The choice of vesting options depends on your unique circumstances, financial goals, and family dynamics. Always consult with a qualified estate planning professional to determine the best approach for your situation. That wraps up today's discussion on vesting options in estate planning with a special focus on the Irrevocable Living Trust. Remember, estate planning is a highly individualized process, and seeking professional guidance is essential to ensure your wishes are carried out effectively. Thank you for joining us on Estate Planning Explained. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable insights into estate planning and related topics. Until next time, I'm Adriano Torre, signing off.